Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert footer in the WPS spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to go to page layout settings, and after that you need to open print preview option. Then you will see the preview of the printing. Of course, some data should be visible here. If you want to add a footer, you need to go to page settings and you need to click on the header and footer button. Then footer should be set to none on default. So if you want to add a custom footer, you need to click on this button. And then you may insert the footer on the left section, center section, or right section. For example, I will add it to center section. So I type here simple footer and I click OK button. After that, it should be successfully inserted here, but remember that it is not only one type of the footer which you can insert. If you want to add, for example, image, you can go to custom footer again, and here you can add different types of footers, for example, page numbers, number of pages, date, time, file path, file or sheet name, and here we have option insert picture. I click on it, and then, for example, I select this image, and I click open button. After that, I click OK button again, and how you see, it has been successfully inserted here. So now we click OK button again, and how you see, it really works. So in this way you can easily edit footer in WPS spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.